I just feel at this particular time that I reached the pinnacle of my basketball career, and I must retire. The one good thing that comes out of this is that my father had the opportunity to see me play my last basketball game, and that means a lot to me.
What are you gonna do now?
Well, I've never really told anybody this except for one person, but I think I'm gonna go and play professional baseball.
What position do you play?
I don't know. As a kid, I was a pitcher. I think that'd be kind of hard for me to pitch, so I think I'm gonna play the outfield now.
Dad, this stinks. Don't bring me here anymore, right? Don't bring me here anymore, right?
Are you listening? Did you hear him? Did you hear him? That little brat is right. I've told you, if I've told you once, I told you 1,000 times. We need new attractions.
Right?
New ones.
Uh-huh.
Get it?
Big, shiny new things. Yeah.
Absolutely, sir.
Look at me and listen. The customer is always right.
Right?
The customer is always right.
Exactly.
Always.
Right.
Okay, we need something.
My bad.
We need something nutty.
Nutty.
Something wacky.
Wacky.
We need something. We need something.
Loony? Oops. Loony. Thank you.
Loony?
I'm an elf. Shoot me.
Yes! Loony! Yes! Now you're talking. Loony! Loony, that's it. That's the word I was looking for. Loony. Get the Looney Tunes.
Looney Tunes.
Bring them here.
Sir, just noticing, sir. They're from Earth. What if they can't come?
What did you say? What if they can't come? Make them.
Cool.
Make them.